So, friends, the next drink we have has the duty named pineapple milk. What will we need for this? A shaker that we fill halfway with ice and add pineapple juice to it. Now would weigh everything. The amount of juice depends on your utensils, but on average it's somewhere around 100 to 120 grams of juice. So I got 111 to 110. Next we need some simple chocolate syrup, 20 grams. Done. And double espresso. There's pre-made coffee in here. We stir it all vigorously and pour it all into a glass filled with ice. Please note, when you use a European shaker, clamp all three parts of the shaker. The shaking we do actively, and you should have the entire shaker completely fogged up and sweat as smoothly as possible. If it doesn't, your drink is not chilled enough. And we pour our wonderful beverage. What's its specialty? When you taste it, most of the time people think it uses milk, and there's really no milk here. That's the combination of chocolate, coffee, and pineapple makes us feel like we're having coffee with milk. And what's really being used here is juice. It's great for people who can't drink milk, for some reason lactose-free. It's really good. It's very refreshing and looks great. This drink sells very well.